I just woke up and it's time to get day 4 started. Today we have to go back to Lowe's to take the stuff back that we had bought the other day. We bought the wrong stuff, so we gotta get 90-minute Durabond. Gotta make sure it's Durabond. But once I go get what I gotta get, I'm coming straight back home. And then I'm going straight to the house to start working. So that's what's going to happen today. See you in a bit. Good openers. Hopefully they got what we need in here. Ain't that right, babe? Cause I'm irritated like a motherfucker. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, I said I wasn't gonna be cussing. Well, I'm irritated, y'all. It's our second store today. I'm trying to get in and get the fuck out. You feel me?
Look at my baby. She all mad. Cause she had to go to the store and look for something she ain't never seen before. And she had to go back again. And now we at the third store. Save big monies at Menards. Keep shopping on fucking day. Can't find the shit we looking for. She is stuck with me a fucking day. I get one, you get one. How come you don't get both? My baby thinks she's strong now. Look at her. She all happy with her stupid ass Durabond. Look, I found the Durabond. Look how happy she is. She's so happy. Here, you talk. I'll hold it.
What up, y'all? We found the Durabond. My baby take care of me.
Damn, why you got to do on it? Damn, get all this shit on me. Damn.
You got it all on the camera.
You got it all on you too.
Hey, I'm a working woman. That's what happens when you working. He all thirsty.
Oh, look at you.
Now we adding up my bills.
Don't walk away now. Don't walk away now. She's all types of man. All the time. We gotta go to so many stores. God, the bag's so heavy. Now she's using my damn cart. Acting like she was working hard. He wasn't doing shit. But to be Big Diesel. Go ahead, Big Diesel. Ooh, Big Diesel. Get that on. Get that on, baby. Get that on. Ooh, Big Diesel. Go ahead. Oh, look at those shots. It's that time of day again. Time to kick my ass back over here and get back to work. What I'm gonna be doing today? Sanding. You know, some other bullshit. I don't know. Whatever.
My dad back here sending everything, cause my dad is the GOAT. Ain't you the GOAT, Dad?
The what?
The GOAT.
Okay.
The greatest of all time. Girl just out here working a little bit at a time. My baby, he tired. He done for the day. He ain't motivated. He had an attitude earlier because the screws weren't coming out for him. But it's okay. You know, it is what it is. But anyway, it's been a productive day. We still on quarantine, but we making it work, you know what I'm saying? We want to be, I'm trying to be in my house quarantine tonight, you feel me?
Yeah, I'm just trying to do my thing, shine like a star. Skills in the place, banner, you know who we are. Come night, that's Nate, you know K9. Already said my name, I just say the rhyme.